Did you know there is a bird that can fly while weighing more than 15 kilograms? Yes, that's almost the weight of a small dog. And yet it can still lift off the ground. This impressive bird is called the Kori Bustard. It is often considered the heaviest flying bird in the world. Males can reach nearly 18 kilograms, but despite this enormous weight, they are able to take flight thanks to their powerful wings. Most of the time, it prefers to walk calmly across the African plains in search of food. But when it needs to escape danger, it spreads its large wings and slowly rises into the sky, a giant of the plains, defying gravity.